Hey there! Are you ready to become fluent in English faster than you can drink a cup of coffee? I'm here to make English learning easy and fun for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our amazing lessons. Now let's get to the story. I am a 23-year-old shopkeeper in a small Indian town. Every day I watch tourists walk by. They would speak English to each other. They would smile, laugh, ask for directions, and I wished I could talk with them. But every time I was tried, the words stuck in my throat. I wanted to break the 90-day rule, but I needed to start somewhere. So I thought, why not today? That day I made a decision. I will learn English in 3 months. Just 90 days. No excuses. I am a shopkeeper, so I work 6 days a week. My shop opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. So I had around 10 hours a day for English learning. At first, I thought 3 months is too long. I can do it in 1 month. But as days passed, I realized 3 months were just enough for me. So one divided the 90 days into 3 30-day months. Month 1, build the foundation. To build a house, you need a strong foundation. So I started by waking up 30 minutes early. At 7 a.m., I used to sit quietly for 10 minutes. Then I downloaded a free English learning app and watched one YouTube video daily titled Basic English for Beginners. I made 3 rules for myself: learn 10 new words every day. I used to learn new words through an app and review them before sleeping. Speak 5 English sentences in the mirror. At first, it was difficult to speak because I didn't know what to say. So I started speaking in front of the mirror. Good morning. How are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Goodbye. I practiced these sentences for 30 days. Watch one English story with subtitles daily. I found an amazing storyteller on YouTube who reads short English stories. I watched one story daily with subtitles. I learned a lot from that channel. I also labeled everything in his shop: door, fan, rice, money, with sticky notes. Month 2, speak, listen, repeat. Now I started speaking to his customers in simple English. Hello, how can I help you? Thank you. Have a nice day. I joined a free WhatsApp group where people practice daily English conversations. In this group, I learned different types of conversations, like at the mall, at the restaurant, at the airport, etc. I recorded short 1-minute voice messages every night describing the day. Today I went to market. I sold t-shirts. I feel happy. I also made conversation friends on HelloTalk and Tandem apps. We would practice English chat for 10 minutes a day. Month 3, live in English. Now I understood basic grammar and I was comfortable speaking simple English. So I stopped using Hindi subtitles. I listened to English songs and tried to write what he heard. I created a word bank notebook and reviewed 5 minutes daily. Sometimes I would make mistakes. But I didn't worry because I knew I was making progress. On day 90, a foreign tourist walked into my shop and asked, "Tourist, hello, you. Hello. Welcome to my shop. How can I help you?" Tourist, I'm looking for handmade bags. Yes, we have many. Please come, I'll show you. Tourist, do you have anything in blue? I replied, yes. This one is blue and this is navy blue. Would you like to try? Tourist, how much is this one? I replied, this bag is 800 rupees. It's handmade and very strong. Tourist, can you give me a discount? I replied, for you, special price minus 750 rupees. Tourist, okay, I'll take it. I replied, thank you very much. Do you need a bag? Tourist, yes, please. I replied, here you go. Have a great day. Tourist, thank you. I replied, you're welcome. Come again. The tourist smiled back. Your English is very good. And that's when I knew I had done it. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing content. Keep practicing. Stay motivated and you will become fluent in English soon. Take care and see you in the next video.